was really excited that happened. Now we aim for um 5,000. 5,000 would be a great number. Maybe take another year or two, consistent with just posting every single day, making content, being a content creator. Hopefully, I'm providing you guys some value. It's also that's Discord. Thanks, Lucas. Thanks, Lucas. Let's see, SPX. We are. I'm gonna. Yeah. Let me show you that graph. It's on that screen, guys, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Here's a graph of SPX daily, and you can see that we were on the head, right, wedge triangle right here pattern, and we broke down. This was one day that we broke down, broke that pattern, and was looking bearish, right, until it didn't. And it broke back up. Now we're looking bullish. This is all-time highs at 760. We're about to, we're damn near it. Actually, we broke. We pre-market. No, we're yeah, very close to it. Pre-market 760.82. All-time highs is 760 at 58. Oh, we did break all-time highs. Wow. Never mind. I take that back. We broke the all-time highs already pre-market. So now let's see where markets would trade after that. I think technology has a lot of room to catch up to. So QQQ, Nasdaq has a little bit of catching up because we are nowhere near the all-time highs in QQQ. Let me look at QQQ here. Yep, the trend has been a little bit of a slower move to catch up. That's all-time highs, right? We are breaking trend, or at least trying to break trend here. No, Trump did not treat, but Secretary Basic did, and he was one of the people who were leading the charge on those deals, negotiation, and he said there a deal is going to be reached by tomorrow to open the Strait of Hormuz, or at least some type of good deal. So that's why I saw oil futures drop and market rally. QQQ is the same thing as NQ. You can just look. Let's just look at this is QQQ on the daily, right? I can go on M&Q and you can see. Wow, it's a big difference. Why is that? That's odd. Am I delay data? QQQ. Oh yeah, it's not pricing in the pre-market. That's why it looks different. QQQ right there. Still almost all-time highs. So I should be looking at the Nasdaq though. So NQ. Instead of MQ. There we go. Look at NQ. There we go. Better. So here's NQ1. You see this big difference in charts when it looks at chart. Oh, I was got MES. No wonder. My God, brain fart. Okay, so MNQ or Nasdaq, you can see we have not broken trend. Right, we're far from it. All-time highs, 31,123. You can clearly see that, right? So yeah, change the stream back to normal. Big one on. I'm gonna reset everything. Live on YouTube. Live. I do think we uh like move up today, but we'll still have some type of pushback because we have some important data on Friday, non-farm. So maybe markets don't want to get too ahead of itself. Also, we're near all-time highs, or we pushing at that point. So we could see some pullback after that. But so far, so good. So far, so good. Very constructive. Very constructive. Morning Cam, Papa, Sniper, TNT, Tron. I know T's missing because he locked out. uh, fun. Yeah, we have jolts at 7 o'clock. At this point, I'll be a dip buyer. So if the market dips off of jolts, or something like that, look to look for a bottom of that pattern, and then we can go long too. I think we should focus on the Mag 7 today, where a lot of them were kind of down pre-market. So we get the Mag 7 bounce back, along with estimation and broader technology. We gonna look good for another rally. More Hilton. Yes, rally means going up. You can't rally. You can't rally down. You know. You can crash. Crash is down. Rallies up. No, some stock market terms. Yeah, same thing. Well, you can rip up too. Rip is usually slang for upside. Stock market lingo. You know. What I think about is oil. Oil has a good chance of dipping down to $60 a barrel. But it's gonna take some time for that to happen. Obviously, and it's not gonna happen immediately. We already dipped down a lot just on today. But as soon as deals and stuff happens, we're gonna see it dip down more. So very bearish on oil. We're 76.30. Look for it to come down further. Might not be today, uh, because of how strong a move we already had. So I still think it can come down further than that though. That previous lows were around 60, right? So look for around 60 something on a daily chart. Where was that previous low? Yeah, it was like around 67.37, around there. We push under that. We can get back all the way to the 50. So it'll take some time, obviously. But once the deals start happening, we start to see gold continue to sell off. I mean, the gold oil continue to sell off. Sorry. One more minute. One more minute. Look at yeah. Look at Nvidia. Ooh, I like it. Market open. All right, all right. Mm. So far, earnings season been also strong. Well, as of last week, 65% of the S&P 500 has reported out of 305. That's 305 companies out of 500 companies have reported so far, and that's about 61% of the S&P 500. I said that 88% are beat overall, right? 12% are miss. With an estimate of a plus 6% average medium beat and about a negative 2% average medium loss. It's a very great number. Technology wise, 47% of the companies have already reported. That's 89%. Or beating 89% are beating estimates on the technology. That's a strong report. And 80% of the financial sector has reported. 89% of that has beaten. So if you talk about earnings season, this is like blowout earnings season. So market overall look at that too, because why do we people invest, right? To make a profit. And those companies are making a profit. Look strong early. Here's the SR flip. I think we get to 30,000 today, at least. Let's see how, but maybe Jolts. Depending if Jolts comes up favorable, it'll give us another leg up. But if it doesn't, then we probably push down and work our way back up. Jolts comes out at 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. That's my time. About 30 minutes for you guys ever want it. 30 minutes if you guys are timing it.
Where is it going?
She's gonna go up. She's up and away. Nice rally back from Google from that low. Strong Bush and Google. I mentioned Google was a good buying opportunity after the earnings drop. The fumble. So I bought into that. It's been up since then. SMH. ASML also said that was a good dip buy off of that China news on their so-called competitor. There was a little overreaction. It's funny how the Citadel caused a whole fear with their sloppy tweets got the market to sell off, and then they bought this hedge fund company after that, the one that they loan money, and then the market started rallying afterwards. Funny how that works. Fucking shady. Are we pushing above the SR flip here? I want to see a hold here, continuation for a pretty strong base rally here, or below. I'll just keep this as the ORP high, the SR flip. Very constructive. Look at all that volume came in. Damn. Yes, it looks like it's up and away, man. Hardest part about knowing that it's bullish is trying to catch the bullish momentum move right. In the early stages, like I can never really just, unless I'm just like YOLO, like I don't care. Then I'll just hop on based on news. But most of the time, I want to see it like make its move, pull back, and then give us an entry. That was always the hardest part. Like you don't want to FOMO in, knowing the damn sure maybe it's gonna pull back hard before it rips. And sometimes you see this, you jump in, and then you're like, oh yeah, my chest is right, and then it pull back, get stopped out, or some sort, and then makes it move. You know, so just be patient about it. If you if you know, if I sometimes miss it, I miss it. Like there was no entry. Even yields are starting to fall. Yeah, everything's looking good. Oh, I got something marked up here as resistant, huh? Oh, what's way far back though? What the? SMH at the previous weekly high and rejection here. Remember, we still have an AMD earning after the bell. AMD is also a AI play, so that also a chip play. Would like to see the 29,380 hold, possible long above that. As we pull back here, I want to see that SR flip level holds. If it doesn't, then I'll pull back. Honestly, I think it might be safer we just wait till 7 o'clock. for the jolts to come out. I think that would give us a good opportunity to at least see where direction we're gonna head up for. Like if it's gonna dip, I like to look for a dip buy, better risk opportunity, and then rather than try to chase this and it comes into data, it'll probably slow down. Got about 20 minutes though, so this is some strength. I kind of want. I really do want to go long, but like, damn, I'm just debating. Like I said earlier, the safe side is to wait till Joe comes out.
That report can go either way, huh?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. The report can go either way. And then we get some shaky hands that will sell. That's when people will probably buy the dip because Joe is yeah, it has some inflational data, but it's not a strong case to sell the market, especially on bullish news like that. It doesn't overweight the war peace deal, so I'll take that as a buying opportunity. We holding the SR flip too. This is great, man. Ah, I'm so tempted to not do it. Ugh, I'm gonna do it on a freaking practice account.
Order filled.
See, I would have long here and have my stops that it's low here. See if I am correct on a practice account because I'm just itching to go long. But I'm not gonna do on an XFA just because I want to wait till the data comes out. But I also like to see the long hold above there. The SR flip and it did that. So market has some room to run here too. SMH is up, XOK is up. Google kind of selling off here on this third candle, 5 minute. Nvidia is kind of flat. The Mag 7 is kind of flat, pretty much. Tesla's selling off. The technology base is rallying. Yeah, I don't like I said, I don't. I'm the only person that doesn't really care about the VIX. I don't care about the VIX. Ooh yeah, Intel back 97.55. I've been buying dips on Intel. I think that's gonna be a good company moving forward now. Also been buying a lot of dips on those nuclear play. It's gonna it's gonna come in, man. Nuclear energy. It's the way, man. To power those AIs and shit. Data center. You're gonna need nuclear energy. People gonna catch on. Watch. It's gonna be hot, like memory chips. Oh, so glad it was on the practice account. Look at this. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, what? Damn. Oh, SMA just rocketing, pushing out here. That's strong, some strength here. Wow, that is showing strength here. Good morning, Chris. Another day, buddy. Recons. Eee. Dip again, bot. Dip again, bot. Price. Nice move on Nvidia so far. Nice bounce. Yeah.
RTY and YM is heading lower.
OTY, YM. Okay. That's small caps. I'm not. Yeah, I don't correlate that with the NQ though. But that's good to know. That'll probably affect the ADD, advanced decline. Oh, so SpaceX also have earning today too. So we're gonna have some kind of picture of what they actually do to create revenue. I still don't know, so that'll be interesting. I think they're part of some kind of AI too. Who knows? Definitely see some selling off of smaller tech. Hood selling off, SpaceX selling off, and he's selling off Intel. It's kind of top tier so far. MU trying to reach a new back up to 900. ASML very strong bounce back here. EW, I think I don't need to look at EW anymore. It's strong rally back. I'll bring back Apple. Let's bring back Apple. There we go. Apple strong. Feel like we made a top so far. Well, I think it's like feel like the market is trying to wait for the data. So we're slowing down here. I would definitely just adjust the break even something or take some profit. Oh, damn. Okay, maybe I should have took it with a fucking XFA. Wow, nice, nice little push.
Buy all dips.
For her, buy all the dips. Damn. Now we're gonna have a chance. We're gonna have a chance, man. That the jolts, the jolts that are gonna come out. Don't know which direction it's gonna go. But yeah,
Damn, why didn't I take it? Why didn't I take it?
no, I didn't. I didn't take it. This is a practice account either. So don't feel bad. Like I didn't. I didn't feel safe taking it long into the news. You know. Only reason I wanted it earlier is because I talk about how if we hold the SR flip level, which we did here, that I want to go long. That's the reason why I was like so tempted to just go long, but I wasn't gonna risk it on XFA and the data coming out. If the data wasn't in the way, I would definitely take that long. But you know, playing it safe. That's all. Yeah, that's a lot. That's like $400 if there are three cons. So definitely not a bad move. Definitely not a bad move. All things considered, almost 1.5. Stop me out. Just stop me out.
Order filled.
All right. I'm gonna go back to XFA now and just gonna wait and see. See if we can get a drop here. 8 more minutes. Would like to see a Fibonacci 50% retracing back to the SL flip again around here. Around 300 zone. And then maybe bounce higher. Break out. I'm looking for that kind of risk reward. What's up, T? Didn't think you'd make it today. Kiki is already up 2%. 6 minutes left. Ooh, DRAM back at $54.39. Also, a name I've been buying dips on. That memory chip store is not dead yet, guys. AI needs memory. Part of the supply chains. AI, memory, and then power. Right? To break it down as simple as possible when it comes to investing. You need the hyperscaler, which is all those Nvidia, Intel, those companies, Meta, Google, and then you need those memory chip companies. You play ETF on that or buy MU, SNDK, HK Hynix, I think is one of the new ones. And then after that, you need power. You just need power to power AI. It's where we need nuclear because that's the only feasible, safest power source that we already achieved. We just going to make it better for consumption. Get in early on it though. Once that nuclear plays explodes, everybody's gonna like, well, should have caught it. Well, start investing now. Just throwing like $100, $200 into it. Not financial advice, obviously. I don't want to get sued, but that's what I would do. That's what I'm doing. I'm just buying into those nuclear plays early. Because our power grid cannot handle those AI data centers. It just can't. We can't even handle most of Tesla charging system. What the hell you think we're gonna handle like freaking data center? You know? 4 more minutes left. Well, wind power is garbage too, by the way. Wind power is like garbage. Solar power is not that efficient either. We rely way too much on the sun, and the sun is not up 24/7. Nope, it's not up all the time. Hydropower is a thing. I think there's some company out there reinventing themselves where they just drop some generators down in the ocean, and just the wave itself can cause create energy for them. I think like China is trying to build data center underwater, keep it cool, which is not. I mean, I think that's a pretty cool idea too. I don't know how it will affect the ecosystem though. It might just warm the water up more around the area. So who knows? They don't even think about building data center in Antarctica and stuff like that. But I don't think that's a good idea either, because we would start melting the ice because of how many heat it generates. That'd be a bad idea. Sounds like a good idea, but that'd probably be a bad idea. I think, and Elon Musk want to have his data center up in space. Yeah, that's one of their goals too. Two more minutes. Is that the dip buy here? 21 EMA. Just got caught a nice dip here. I think we can go back down. Let's see. Like I say, it all depends on the data. If it's really bad, we'll see it come back down, and we get dip buying opportunity. Google just pushing. I love it. Google. One more minute. Oh, sorry. And here we go. Which way would we go? Which way would we go? Ooh, going down early. Yeah, go down.
It came out below.
Mm. I'm not gonna read into the data. I'm just gonna let the market tell me how to like it. Sometimes you read into the data and you have a bias on it, and then market totally reverses what your bias is.
Or your bias is actually right, but the market just disagrees with you anyway.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's I would rather see how the market react to it. You know what? Let me look at TNX. Yeah, not a strong reaction either. So not bad. If that is it, then I think we have a dip buy there. Let's go long, man.
Order filled.
The data came out, didn't really do much. We just held, so I'm gonna go long. Let's just take this thing up to, let's see, 1 to 2. Let's do ward around there. See if we can break out. Looks like we could probably break out. The data didn't do much as far as the dip goes. We got bought up. Looking to break out all-time highs again here. I think market has that strength to do it. I am in long at 489. Stops at 430. And TP looking at 611. We get also 620. Even number. Probably 620 is better. No, 620. Here we go. We're trying to push up here. I would like to see Nvidia trying to catch some strength again. It is selling off back to 209. Need to see catch a bid there. SMH, I want to see a hole above the weekly high. Look like it's zoomed at. So it's XOK. I want to see a nice strong bounce here. Some Mag 70, some catching up to do. Still got some bullish momentum though. Come on, let's break out. Got a limit sell here at 578. On my first trim, that's a 1.5. Looking good to the upside right now. There we go. There we go. Nice push above.
Run, Forrest, run!
That's right.
Run, Forrest!
Go for it. Nice push up here, guys. Very strong candle push out at new time, all-time highs. For the day, for the New York session. Ooh, let's go. Good candle, good candle, good candle. That's a good candle push. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'll start trailing it up here. My stop too. And if you guys are really conservative but you stop, just trail to break even. And if you're really conservative, maybe take some size off if you want to. Like super conservative, right? I'm giving it some room to run a little higher before I even decide to take profit. I already have my trim here at 2 at 29,578. So we get there, be fucking awesome. Yeah, almost like $200 now. Yep, $200 right there. $100 here. I'm adjust the break even here. 250. Let's go, guys. Ah, yes. Love it.
Now, give me money. Or I shoot him, and I shoot all you motherfuckers. And then we take it. Your choice, bitches.
That's right, Mr. Chow. That's right. Oh, wow. What a strong pullback. I'm just a little bit up higher to 90 MA. Either way, get some profit out of this, or I can just trim one here. No, I just hold like that. I can always re-enter if it dips is stronger, but I'm holding. Apple making new highs here. It's just Nvidia is slowing shit down. It sucks. Google making new highs too. Estimation is a little selling off here too. We're below the previous week high. I want to see a whole strength up there, continuous rally, but it's a little bit slowing down. So it's XLK. Let it be like the day which small dips just bought up. Just continue rally. Squeeze all the way up. That'll be fucking awesome. If you guys don't have diamond hands, just take some profit here. XOK is still moving good. It's just SMH and Nvidia is just slowing shit down. Oh yeah, they're buying dip. We're making look, make a lot of new highs here. That's good. That's good. Good, 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 good. Still got some good momentum, man. Man, I was in there. Oh god, Nvidia, just come on, stop selling off here. Fuck. Can't you just participate? Fuck it. The market might leave you. 280. 145 here. If I trail up, that's tight though. That's asking to get stopped out. So I'm gonna do it this way. Stop. Sell. 2. 300 now, guys. 300. This way, I will definitely take some profit if it does come down. But looking good. Looking good. Come on. I really just need Nvidia. Come on, Nvidia. Just bounce. Give us a nice bounce here. So we get a strong bounce. If Nvidia participate, we get a stronger bounce. Mm, mm, mm. $300. Oh. Filling up some more here. Kind of choking it. But I want to take some profit. I don't want to give back too much. Trying to tighter. That's why. I don't like how Nvidia is just like trying to make a new low faster.
Order filled.
Okay, I took two off here, so I have one left runner at break even. I'm okay with that move. It's just Nvidia is just selling off. It's just putting a little bit drag here in the market. Apple's making new highs though. Apple, Google's pulling through. You just really need Nvidia to participate. I'd have my last con at break even. Fine. Playing it safe. $81. Damn. That'll be $300. That's money, Tron. You took some money there. That's payday. Yeah, seeing stronger pullback here. SMH, it's okay. Nvidia is the one leading this pullback here. Now we're testing that 21 EMA. Let's see if this one holds or not. So far, 21 EMA been holding. Let's see if it holds again. Nope. Nvidia got a sell signal now. Nasty. Big can of SMH. Oh, look at that. They're trying to hold it here. They're trying to hold it here. Still selling from Nvidia. More selling from Nvidia. Oh, That'd be nice if it didn't get stopped out. It's reverses here. Ah, hopeful thinking. Wishful thinking. Wishful thinking. Oh, look at that. Damn. Oh my goodness. Did that happen though? No, my god. Oh my god. How close am I, man?
We're dying. We're dying.
Help me! Help me!
No, don't do it. Save me. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Okay. Oh god, stop. So close. I thought we'd get saved there. Ah, well, I tripped too. I played it safe, played well. Now let's see if this is a valid dip buy or not. It doesn't look it right. This doesn't seem so right now. Nvidia's continue to sell off here. There is some support. Previous week high. So if it make a little bounce there, and then see Nvidia start to turn back up, I would consider going back long. But for now, seems to be selling off. Hmm. Doo 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 doo. Yeah, there's some support here. Mm, 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 mm. Where on earth are you seeing reverse at, Lucas? Uh, well, you're asking because you probably see reversal, right? You try to confirm it with T. That's why I want to see why would you think reversal. Strong wick there. Strong wick so far, but still needs strength from Nvidia. Hold on. My wife is cool. All right. Peace and cool. Oh, woman just yapping all day. Okay, finally, nice green candle for Nvidia though. Yeah, that was what I was thinking, dude. I didn't see no type of reversal. Strong bounce so far. I think this is it. Wow. All right. We're about to push a new highs here.
Order filled.
Okay. Back in long. Have my stop at this candle low. I stop. 504 with my stop. I'm backing long at 542. Let's aim for a previous goal of a 620 again. Look like Nvidia finally want to make a bounce here. So let's see if we continue that. SMH, nice push. XOK, nice push. Let's see if we get another green candle from Nvidia will help. Super Nvidia. It did not hold that candle, dude. Second candle's red on the 5 minute. See if I can flip back green here. I'm gonna tighten my stop. 517. Risking $100. I just don't like how Nvidia didn't have a continuation after that bounce. We need strength off from it right now. Wow, finally strong. Looking better. It's looking better. Looking better. Just trying to tighten my wrist up. Stop sell. 2. We're coming back down again. Fuck it. I'll trim 2. I'll hold 1 then. If we come back down again. Just made a new high and just came right back down.
Order filled.
Order field. Broke even. Broke even. Way too choppy. I know, right? Oh my god. Over here, he's kind of stuck. It's really because of Nvidia. Actually, the third candle is green though. So Maybe this gets a real push here. Continue base. $7.36. Still got some time left. Man, if this is it for me, that's fine. $250 is 4 days. I'll be happy about it too. Base hits. Bring the balance up. Was hoping for a really stronger day today though, but market seems to want to chop here for a bit. Definitely not exciting. We see oil kind of creeping back up a little bit, slightly, but that shouldn't be the one holding back the market though. Let's see where gold is at. I'm interested in gold. Is gold making a rally? No, gold is selling off too. We just chopping here. What? What in the god? Something came out news. Who caught that? I see news. Let's see. Fong, what's the headline, man? What you see? That's a news candle. Extend gain to 1%. That's decline. No, that's not the news I'm looking for. What came out? What fuck? Okay, 1 hour ago, an announcement expected regarding the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz any minute. That's 1 hour ago. Fuck. Shipping plan. What the fuck? No, I don't see any up to date headline. Let's see what Trader Hubs have. Something must have been said. Here it is. According to people familiar with the matter, wants to use behind the scenes to likely to attain a renewed conflict with the Houthis militias. Okay. Some little bit of war jitters. Jitters. I think we're supposed to get that news today from Trump. Sorry, it's muted earlier, but what I'm saying is that we're looking like consolidating right now. What's up, Brandon? Long time no see, brother. Yeah, we're still at it, bro. We'll see if we can trade some more, but right now the price action looks nasty. How you doing, Brandon? In no rush to go long. Honestly, I'd rather see it really come back down, retest this support zone here, the 430s, and then maybe we get a better risk to reward push up. Anything here feels like a consolidation chop. Just chopped. Price action isn't really going nowhere here. The market's also telling me that too. The price action is really not going anywhere here. Let's look at higher time frame. Taking the beating from training. Yeah, don't know how long you've been trading, but it's gonna take a while before you start seeing some consistency and some success. It's gonna take a while, man. As long as you like consistently put in the work, you will see progress. I mean, it doesn't have to be consistent profit or anything. Consistency for me means waking up every single day, same day, trading, consistently following your rules, consistently following your setups, uh, repetitive every single day, waking up on time for the market, trading the time that you trade for the market, doing the right thing. Consistently doing those right things is gonna have a positive impact on your trading. For me, it's always been the same. I wake up every morning. New York session, I trade the same thing. I trade NQ. I don't stray away from it. I look at the same charts everywhere else. I look at the same thing for my bias. I look at all the information that I gather from the previous day. Stuff like that. Consistency. Yeah, when people talk about consistency, they think it's just a P&L consistency. No, 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 no. If you can learn to trade like an athlete, you'll be fine. Because those crazy athletes have crazy consistency rules where they train at certain hours, what they eat, what they consume, all that stuff, right? They say a lot of athletes are actually really good traders because their mindset is right when it comes to building repetitions and good habits. The 5 minute chart does look better, but still just kind of consolidating still here. The 1 minute is just nasty. 5 minute looks a little decent. Kind of see that trend is still holding here. 90 minute EMA is still holding well above the 21. I actually hit the 1.5 CP. If you held it. Remember we were long earlier. We would have hit that. God. Nothing good anymore. Things look dead. Mark is making me fall asleep. Feels like a slow grind day again. Sucks. Okay. Wow. Nvidia's finally making a good strong bounce here. Looks like we're building up for something, but like, it's just, even though it's Nvidia looks strong, we're barely moving here. Yeah, something's not right. I don't like it. Strong reaction from Nvidia, strong reaction from SMH, but we barely moved. In fact, we're moving the opposite direction. So something's not right. Mm. Yeah, we would have chased that. It would have been bad. Good job, Lucas. Up $574 a day, and he's done. Nice job. Oh my God, Nvidia faked out people right there. Strong candle, and it just sold all the way back down. That's why I was suspicious. I was like, wait a minute. How are you printing out such a strong candle? We barely move. It's a little bit sus. Low key, I do want to short. Low key. I do want to take a short here now. But it's just scary to do so. Such an environment where we're looking at uh breaking out all time highs and stuff. It's scary to take a short. I'm gonna give the market to 8. See if it doesn't want to do something here. Not, I'll gladly be done trading. $250 is a decent day. Stack those days up. Still early in the month, so I don't mind it. Let's see. I don't know if you guys look at divergence, but there is a divergence with as far as the NQ goes. Price is moving up. This looks like going up momentum, but it's been dying. That momentum up has been dying. Oh my goodness. I feel like shorting this damn thing. I guess a pullback. All right, I'm gonna do it on a practice account. Let's say if I wanted to short here. This is a practice account. Don't follow me.
Order filled.
Let's say I want to short. Oh my god, Nvidia just printing short candlestick. That's a big short candlestick. Oh goodness. Ah, wow. Trying to send this thing, man. Either that or we're just really chopping here. Which is crazy because that's a big sell candle. And we didn't even move. We did not even move. And we have a big sell candle. Look at this thing. It's moving the opposite. Something's not right. Either the volume died out or we really just sitting here waiting for news. Long and short right now is just getting killed. Getting killed right now. Something strong. Something strange is happening, man. We're barely moving. Mm-hmm. Yep. Just consolidating here. That's boring. Ah. Come down some more. Nvidia about to make a new low here. But SMH is still holding previous week high. XOK is not even moving. Ooh, SPY made new high again. MES. Oh, it's creeping back up here.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Take her to the flow. Show her how you roll. Drop it low. Drop it low.
Low. Oh man. ES making new highs. I think the short is dead now. Tech is lagging. Tech is left me lagging. Nasdaq is lagging. ES making new highs.
Order filled.
I'm gonna look at I think RTY was selling off earlier, so let's see if we get a bounce of that. MLK for the micro, I think. MLK. Yeah, what's it? MNQ. What's the got the ticker for it for micros. RTY. MKL? No, I thought it was MLK. You guys remember the ticker for micros for RTY? Got the ticker. I think it's M2K. There's no 2 in it. M2K? Yeah, it is. Oh. Hey, Fawn, you said the M2K or RTY was selling off. It wasn't. Still looking good.
Yeah, it was just at that very moment only.
Oh, okay. I was like,
It actually recovered like really soon after that.
okay. Yeah, I thought it was a bigger dip. I was like, okay, if it is, then I want to look for long. As the market continue along, it'll bring everything up. So, well, there's no opportunity here either. You look at ES, it's just making new highs. We broke out all-time highs already. I smashed it for the year. Just smashed it. The market just ripped. Wow. Then compare that with the Nasdaq, we're super lagging it. This is Nasdaq here. This is all-time high, so we are super lagging. I mean, it's still progress, but we're definitely lagging that move up. Don't push there. Still consolidating though. I think it's pushing up due to due to ES pushing up higher. So still very much consolidating though. This is one of those ugly days where maybe just like chopped his way, crawls his way up high, kind of deal, which is, and then until like the news or something like, oh, we got a deal, peace deal, boom, it rips. So right now I'm looking at this just the Mag 7 consolidating here in the 15-minute range. The 15-minute orb is within there. Meta, Tesla, Google's been strong. It broke out of 15 minutes orb. So is Apple. And then Nvidia is trading under the 15 minutes orb. You got SMH trading at the 15-minute orb high. XOK breaking out of it. So slightly more positive than negative, but still. Right now we're looking better. Continuation. Looks like some volume coming back in. Yeah, it was hard. It was hard to long with all that. Just nasty. Nothing's happening. You know. Nothing was really happening. I think as soon as ES started to push up higher, I think that's when the NQ started reacting. But even still, like this move here is just so small. Barely much volume in it too. Yeah, even in the momentum, my momentum indicator says like it's barely a move up here. That's a really small push. Quite honestly, this is probably one of the frustrating things to trade when it does this. It's like trading Asia session, dude. Like, oh my god, put me to sleep. Just look at Nvidia, like the way it moved today. Nothing makes sense on Nvidia. What are we looking at here? Meta, same thing, just barcoding. What are we looking at here? Tesla, same thing. All the volume just got sucked out. Every 5-minute candle is like so tiny, and that's a 5-minute candle. Jeez. All right, well, it's 8 o'clock. I'm not feeling it. The market's not feeling it either. I think it's just the wait and see kind of thing with the peace deal. Also, AMD have earnings after the bell today, right? Let's see. AMD. Yeah, AMD and SpaceX. AMD is more important. So, depending on how AMD does, we might see a continuation in this rally. Either that or a peace deal within when the market ends. Because Trump is speaking too at the market close, so he's gonna trout about it. Trump speak 13:30. AMD collab on GPU initiate data access for AI NVIDIA. Some news on NVIDIA. That's about it. Yeah. I'm not gonna walk away from this market right now. I just don't like it. There's no risk opportunity. Come back further, I'll take it, but doesn't seem like it wants to do that either. It wants to just play around here at its highs. Maybe slowly creep its way back up. So Is it for me? I'm okay with taking $250 per day. I'll see